Into Aroma Zanzibar's kitchen. Today we're going to make something very simple, and this is sweet roasted coconut that can be used for cakes or desserts. So you want to make sure you're using a wide pan, and I'm using about 250 to 300 grams of freshly grated coconut. You can use any amount, and you can also use a desiccated coconut from the store. We're just going to remove any unwanted particles. Then we're going to mix it and stirring. This should take about 20 minutes, but after the first 5 minutes, then we're gonna add the sugar. I'm using powdered sugar, that's about 2 tablespoons. You're gonna make sure that the heat is very, very low, and I noticed some color, so I realized my heat was actually high, so you're just gonna reduce it to the lowest point. We basically want to remove the moisture, because you know the coconut has a lot of fat and you don't want to fry the coconut here. So maybe after 7 minutes, this is what I got, and all the moisture is almost gone. Then we're gonna add more sugar. That's another 2 tablespoons. You can add more, but it will take you longer because you have to remove the moisture of the sugar as well. All right, so you're just gonna keep stirring and combining and roasting. And if your heat is very, very low, this will just be white. And after that, I added 1 tablespoon of oil. Now this oil is to keep the moisture so that the coconut is not too dry, all right? The first moisture, we had to remove it, now we add another moisture. All right, so you're just gonna keep mixing and stirring for at least another 5 minutes. Like I mentioned, this should take at least 20 minutes to get these results. And you can use this coconut for your cakes, your desserts. I have just used it in the passion fruit bars that I have shared the recipe. So I will link the video in the description box below. And that's it. You want to let it cool and then put it in a container, airtight container, and you can use this for about a month while it's still fresh. But if you want to keep it longer, you can keep it longer too as well. All right, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you all in the near future while I share recipes from around the world, different recipes that I hope you try and enjoy them with your family. Thank you so much.